Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. Focus. Then came Cyrus, and seeing him, he fell at his feet. My 5-year-old son was running a high fever. At the same time, my mum was seriously ill in hospital. I could not leave my child alone to go and see mum. And she passed away that evening, with only my sister to keep her company in her final moments. I find it rather odd that Cyrus left his daughter's sick bed when she was at the point of death. Could he not have sent a messenger? Instead, he personally came and threw himself at the feet of Jesus to plead for his daughter's life. Cyrus was the respected administrative head of the synagogue, the entire community of which was heavily prejudiced against Jesus and considered him a heretic. Yet, Cyrus brushed aside the potential fallout of defining this bigoted opinion and came to implore Jesus in his desperate need because he trusted Jesus. It would be good for us to take a reality check. Can we too, like Cyrus, take a stand against prejudiced opinions and accept and proclaim Jesus as Lord and Savior? Are we brave enough to forego and forget our position in this materialistic world and with humility and great faith admit that without Jesus we are nothing? Fruit. Let us fall at the feet of Jesus and pray for those prejudiced against Christians, that the Prince of Peace may rule their hearts and minds.